Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account has Gemini access and you've enabled necessary app permissions. Once done, connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi and plug the device into power to avoid interruptions. Make sure you export any custom prompts, API keys, or model settings to a secure file. This prevents loss if a reset occurs. Now open the Gemini update page or app settings. Check version info and tap update to begin the process while monitoring progress. You'll see the download and integrity checks happen automatically. Watch the progress bar and verify the checksum if shown. Once the installer runs, allow background installs and resist restarting or force closing the app, because interruptions can corrupt the update. As the update migrates settings, grant runtime permissions promptly so data and models transfer correctly. If a migration screen appears, read each prompt. Select Preserve Customizations unless you intentionally want defaults restored. You finish by restarting the device to finalize installations and clear temporary caches. This ensures new binaries load correctly. After reboot, open Gemini, confirm the reported version, and run several sample queries to validate outputs and latency. If responses look off, use the app's diagnostic or rollback option, then clear app cache and reinstall if needed. Finally, re-import your backup configurations. One key troubleshooting tip: if the update fails, reinstall from a fresh download instead of reusing a corrupted package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.